Hello. Meet the new Haibikes XDURO AllMtn 2.0 Black/Silver/Red 2020 year bike. Haibike's entry-level AllMtn model opens up an enormous range of uses, with a mix of 160mm travel up front and 150mm at the rear, as well as 27.5 inches wheels with plus tires. You can make your way, with confidence, over every terrain and enjoy first-class performance even on challenging descents. The powerful Yamaha PW-X2 motor powers you up every hill for a smooth, natural feel to the ride.